Hey, welcome to my channel once again. Uh, Today I came here. I just wanted to show you some interesting, wanted to explain you some interesting thing. If see, consider that if money wasn't a concern, what career would you choose? Okay, so have you ever asked yourself this question that if money wasn't a concern for you, what career would you choose? Not what your parents wanted, okay, not what your friends are suggesting or your colleagues are suggesting, but what you would truly choose. Which one you will choose? Take a few seconds and think about it from your mind because your answer could completely change the direction of your life. So, hi everyone, myself is Prashanta Banerjee. I welcome to my channel, and I think most of the people are my followers and my subscribers are there who are watching this video. I came across with some kind of people like I will just introduce myself that I am a founder of Super AI Coach, and today I want to help you answer one of the most important career journey questions which you will ever face. So when I started my own career, like many people, okay, I believe success meant getting a stable job, right? That's everyone is looking and earn some handsome salary and climbing the corporate ladders, right? That's what we always look for this. Now, I worked hard, I learned, I grew myself, but something I was thinking that I'm missing. Okay, I realized I was chasing someone else's definition of success. Okay, one day someone has asked me that the similar question which I'm asking today all of you, that if money wasn't a concern, what you really love doing it, right? The question stayed me for a couple of days. Eventually I discovered that what truly energized me wasn't just technology, it was just helping people grow. Okay, helping professional building meaningful careers, helping them become future ready using AI. That's why I created this kind of super AI coach where I can help and support millions of people across the globe through my this webinar sessions, through kind of coaching sessions. Most people choose careers is a wrong most choose that career for the wrong, maybe it's a wrong decision, it's a wrong reason. Not only I say decision, it's a wrong reason. Let me honest, many students and professionals, especially for the freshers, choose career because career as a journey, and the salary is high, their friends are choosing it. So a lot of practical things like their parents are recommending and pushing that you're choosing a career for the job. It's after few years we will realize the same situation will come. It considered like a safe, it is safe, but here's the truth is a career built only on salary often leads to stress, burnout, and regret. Money is important, right? All of us we need money, but purpose gives meaning to your work, right? Ask yourself these three questions instead of asking which job pays the most. Ask yourself these three questions. Okay, what works makes the most lose the track of time. Okay, what problems do I genuinely enjoy solving? Okay, what skills would I continue learning even if nobody paid me today? So these are a couple of questions you can think from your mind, and the reveal of your natural strengths, your passions, your purpose. Then you can decide. The world has changed now. We are entering into the world of AI era. Many jobs will change, many some will disappear, thousands of new careers will emerge. The winners won't be those with the highest degrees, right? So who create value, who solve problems, who embrace AI, it's defined by your ability to adapt. Okay, build a career around your value. Okay, and imagine two people, persons who works only for money, person B loves solving problems. So, who do you think that keep learning? Who become more innovatives? Who creates more value? Who eventually earns more? Exactly, the money follows value. Okay, and value follows curiosity, learning, and consistency, right? When you focus on becoming valuable, success becomes a byproduct, right? So my career success formula is, here's the framework I teach my students: passions plus skills, AI plus consistent actions, personal branding, future ready. Notice something: money isn't part of the formula, but because money is the result, not the starting point, right? So here the conclusions, the statement I will just close this by this conclusion that, so let me ask you some same questions for more time. If money wasn't concerned, what career would you choose? Don't answer me, answer yourself. Then ask, what is the one step I can do today to move closer to the career? Remember, you don't need to change your entire life overnight, right? You just need to start. One skill, one project, one conversation, one decisions, and there the single step can change your entire life in the entire future. Okay. If you are IT fresher or a working professional who wants a career clarity, wants to skills level up, and wants a roadmap of your journey stand out in today's competition world, I am hosting a free career transformation webinar where I will show you exactly the career roadmap, discover your ideal career path, build AI ready skills, create a powerful personal brand, get noticed by the recruiters, build career you will love. Click the registrations link below, or comment in my comment sections. Career and my team send out to you. If you applied this If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel Super AI Coach, and share the video with someone who still trying to figure it out with the future. Okay, so remember, don't ever chase money. Build value, the money will follow you. I will see you in the next video on my upcoming sessions, and until then, keep learning, keep growing, keep enjoying, and stay future ready. Thank you all.